How to create HungryPanda driver account. Hello everyone. If you want to start working as a delivery driver with HungryPanda, but don't know how to create your driver account, this video will help you. In this video, I will show you how to create your HungryPanda driver account step by step. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Step 1. Fill your details. First, open the HungryPanda driver application page on your phone. Tap on Apply to be a rider. Select the country and city where you want to work. Enter your phone number. You will receive a verification code on your phone. Enter the code. Create your password. Select your vehicle type. Choose how you heard about HungryPanda. Select if you have delivery experience. Step 1 is complete. Step 2. Rider application. Enter your basic details. First name, last name, date of birth, email address. Upload your ID document, passport, driving license, residence permit, or e-visa/share code. Make sure the photo is clear and readable. Enter the expiration date of the document. Select your vehicle type again. Enter your WhatsApp number. Step 2 is complete. Step 3. Mock run/courier tips. Before starting, check your readiness. Check the weather, tires and clothes for weather. Make sure your phone is fully charged. Be ready to go online.
Open the app and click the button to go live instantly. Swipe up to see when you arrive at the store the order is correct and click Pick upon delivery. Select the actual place the Congratulations!
Read the courier material carefully. Answer the questions correctly, following the instructions on screen. Question 1.
What is the consequence of not uploading your bank details after opening your account?
Answer.
Your payment will be delayed.
Question 2.
What should you do if you spill food during pickup?
Answer.
Take a photo and send it to the dispatcher.
Step 3 is complete. Step 4. Agreement and go. Online. Read the agreement carefully. If you agree, continue. Enter your emergency contact, name and relationship. Read all conditions again before going online. Enter your bank account details, account name, sort code, account number. To verify your bank, HungryPanda will send a code to your phone. Enter the verification code. Now your account is fully ready. Go online and start delivering. You can check all your account details on the account management page. If you want to learn how to use the HungryPanda app and how to accept and deliver orders successfully, then make sure to follow our channel, Mr. Far's YouTube, to stay updated and never miss our videos. Thank you for watching.